Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Asana tasks with scheduled triggers in Make.com, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Make.com account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create a New Scenario button. In the Scenario Builder, search for Asana. Drag and drop the Asana module into the scenario area. Select the action you want to perform, such as Update Task. Click on Add to configure the Asana module settings. Connect your Asana account if you haven't already. Next, specify the task you want to update by selecting it from the list. Now, look for the fields you wish to modify, such as task name or due date. Enter the new values for the specified fields. Once you have set the necessary parameters, click OK. Next, search for the Scheduler module. Drag the Scheduler module into your scenario. Click on the Scheduler module to configure it. Select the frequency for your scheduled trigger, such as daily or weekly. Specify the exact time you want the trigger to activate. Save the scheduler settings by clicking OK. Now, connect the Scheduler module to the Asana module by dragging a line between them. After that, click on the Save button at the top right of the Scenario Builder. You can then test your scenario by clicking on the Run Once button. Make sure to monitor the execution to confirm the updates are made successfully. Finally, activate the scenario by switching the toggle at the bottom of the page to On. Congratulations, you have successfully set up scheduled triggers to update Asana tasks using Make.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.